we are going to learn about hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal numeral system, often shortened to hex, is a numeral system made up of 16 symbols. So the base or radix of hexadecimal number system is 16. The standard numeral system is called decimal, which has a base 10 and use 10 symbols from number 0 to number 9. Hexadecimal uses the decimal numbers and 6 extra symbols, and these 6 extra symbols are from alphabets A to F. Hexadecimal numerals are widely used by computer system designers and programmers because they provide a human-friendly representation of binary coded values. Here is the example. The color is defined by its mix of red, green and blue, each of which can be represented in the range 0 to 255 in decimal or 00 to FF in hexadecimal. So here is the example. This is the color code written in hexadecimal format, and this is the equivalent decimal format for the same RGB color code. So how do we count in hexadecimal numbers? The base or radix of hexadecimal system is 16 from number 0 to 9 and from alphabet A to F. So the counting will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like decimal number, and after 9 we still have some alphabets or some symbols left, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F. Now at F we are out of symbol set because we have used all the single symbols. So now what comes after F? So the rule is, when we are dealing with the single digit number or single digit symbols, so add 1 to the left and then start from the initial one. So 10 will be the next number after F in the hexadecimal system. So this goes on like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now after 19, how 1A come? Let's see. How to find out next count after 19 is 9 is at unit position or 0th position. So first of all, find out what comes after 9 in hexadecimal system. A, right? So write A, and there is no carry for this 1 here, so 1 will be written as it is. So 1 is the next number, and this goes on like this, and this goes on like 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F. Now what after 1F? How to find out what after 1F? First of all, find out what comes after F in hexadecimal system. 10, right? So the 1 will be carry forwarded here. Now this one has a carry, right? So what comes after 1 in the hexadecimal system? 2. So 2 will be here. So 20 is the next count after 1F in the hexadecimal system. And this goes on like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 2A. Because after 9, A is there, right? A is the next count. So 29, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, 2E, 2F. Now how to find out what comes after 2F? F is at 0th position. So first find out what comes after F. 10. So 0 written here, 1 is carry forwarded for the next number. Now this 2 has a carry. So what comes after 2? 3. So 30 is the next count after 2F in the hexadecimal system. And this goes on like this. Now for the number 9F, for the hexadecimal number 9F, how to find out the next count? First find out what comes after F, because F is at 0th position. So 10 comes after F, right? So 0 is here, 1 is carry forwarded. Now this 9 has a carry. So what comes after 9 in hexadecimal system? What comes after 9? A, right? So A. So A0 is the next count after 9F in hexadecimal system. And this goes on like A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. Now this is AA. So how AA is the next count after A9? Find out what comes after 9? A. And this A has no carry or nothing, so this A will be as it is. So AA is the next count. So FF is the last 2-digit hexadecimal number. So how to find out the next count after FF? First find out for this F, what comes after F? 10. So 0 here, 1 is carry forwarded. Now this F has a carry, so find out what comes after F? 10. So 0 here, now this F has nothing in front of it, so 1 is as it is. So 100 is the next count after FF in hexadecimal system, and this goes on like this. So this is how we count using hexadecimal numbers.